Yes, received my supply of the free COVID-19 in-home testing kits from the federal government, guys. And here is a little video
Hi
clip
guys.
of the
Hi.
packages.
Guys, guess what came by USPS a few days ago? Remember I was telling you guys, and you guys already knew about it, of course. There were a deadline for anybody who wanted to get the free COVID-19 in-home test from the federal government. Close, USPS. And I got a total of 6 packages in it. It's the in-home COVID-19 test from the federal U.S. government. I'm getting a total of 3 supplies. This is only 1 supply. Okay, I got 6 of these. That's those that are back there on the table. Anyway, guys, yeah, let's just open this up. I want you guys to see as I open it up. Okay, are you ready, guys? Let's get this. Let's get this together here. I'm gonna put one of these on the table here. We're gonna go over here, guys. All right. Okay, guys, so we're going to open up. We're going to go ahead and open this up. And I'm going to open this up right in front of your guys' eyes so you can see it, see what I'm doing, okay? If you see me looking down, I have a monitor down there I'm looking at, okay? I got to make sure you guys are in this, that we're in this together, guys. Let's see. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it across here, okay? You ready? Let's cut this thing open. Okay, so I cut this part of that across there. Okay. Ooh. Okay, guys. So y'all ready? Let's get this show on the road, guys. So here's what we're getting. Okay. You ready? There it is. And I'm getting a total of 6 of them. I mean, I got a total of 6 in this supply. So it comes in a little thing like this, covered in bubble wrapping, as you can see here. Okay, and it comes in a little, and that's it, guys. And I got 6 of these. Okay, alrighty, and so, and it says right there, you can read it. Let's move this out of the way. It says right there. Can you guys see it? I'll let you guys read it for yourself. It's probably gonna come out backwards, but we can fix that. Okay. So I got 6 of these guys, 6 of them. Supply. I hope you guys ordered yours. Okay. And I'm gonna open up one box because I'm curious. Just gonna open it up real quick and let y'all see what's in it. Y'all see what I see as I see it. So it comes in these little and the little envelopes. They said that different people will be getting different ones. So y'all may not look like this if you're getting from the federal government also. So I know that this is okay. There's 2 kits. Oh, there's 2 kits in each box. Yeah, because there's 2. Oh, or there's 4 kits in each. I don't know what this is. Looks like there's 4 in here. Oh, wow. Well, I'm learning, guys. We're learning together, right? Looks like there's 4 of these in here. And it comes with this one comes with, of course, the instructions. Okay. And, okay, so there's 4 came in the packet, in the 1 box packet. And there's 4 of these swabs, 4 swabs in each one of the boxes, okay? So you got 4 swabs and 4 swabs and 4 of these looks like test kits, okay? Of course, you know what the swabs do. You can stick it up your nostril a little bit, according to the instruction. And then this is the kit, the actual the little kit that you will be putting the swab in after you take it out of your nostrils. And it'll go. The instructions will be in there. So I'm kind of like, I really gotta really figure this out, but not right now. But anyway, but this is what we got in the box. And this was the instruction manual. Of course, it opens up to be wide. It opens up wide, guys. It opens up. It opens up. So I had this upside down. Yes, I do. Okay. So yeah. So anyway. So this. There you go. So this came with it. Instruction book. Paper. Packet. Whatever you want to call it. There. And there we are. Okay. I can see. Oh, guys, there was something else in there. In the box. The little things for the 1, 2, 3, 4. The little tops for the testing kit thing. So to show you guys all that together at one time when I actually have to do a test. Okay. All right. But it's hopeful that we don't have to do a COVID test. Hopefully we'll stay safe, That's the plan. But if something goes on and you're not sure and you want to do a test, this is the route to go. Thanks for the U.S. federal government. Yes, and this is the box that it came in. Okay. COVID-19 in-home testing kit from the federal government. Okay, let's see. Not going to open these last 3 up out of the packages. I just scratched off my name and address. A total of 6 today. As I was just showing you, 3 boxes I've opened. The other 3 I'm not going to open.